So first, what you're gonna want to do is throw your bagel bites in at a nice solid temp. Boil your bagel bites. It's the new meta. Oh, fuck. Don't let them flip over, or else you'll lose the good parts. Let it simmer. Put another one of your bites in. Oh, don't let her flip. Look at that. Bagel bite stew. Make sure you dip them in a little bit. Let them cook. Boil them. Boiled. This is part of my new series. I called it Boiled. Don't let them sink now. Try to sink them a little bit so you can cook them in the middle too. Don't flip them now. Trying to boil them. Tasty. It's a nice taste. Get the cheese on there too. Don't let the cheese fall off because it's starting to melt. You'll lose it. Oh God, I'm losing the cheese. This is the problem with boiling. Oh. Come on, cheese. Get off. Oh, there you go. Look at that. That's going to be a good bite right there. Oh, got a little pepperoni on me. Make sure they get good and wet. Uh-oh. Don't let them flip. That cheese, that's how you know it's the good stuff. Mama don't buy the cheap brand. Now we're getting to that nice boiling temp. Let them simmer a bit. Like a nice soup, maybe stir a bit. Oh, don't let them flip now. We're so far in, we can't let them flip now. Uh-oh. I think Mom is coming. She's gonna find out I'm boiling again. Can't let Mama find out I'm boiling again. Better make this quick. Oh, better hurry. I don't have much time. I'm hungry. Nice and puffy. Like a sponge cake. Just the way I like it. Oh God, I flipped her upside. That's why you don't flip them upside down, buddy. See that? Now I'm just left with the fucking fluffer. Ruined. I've ruined it. Let them boil all the way through. Remember, these puppies were frozen. Are they ready? I don't know if they're ready or not. I don't know how long it takes to boil these. This is my first time boiling bagel bites. Well, I think that's about it. I think we could go turn our burner on low. Maybe see about getting the strainer for these bad boys out. It's simmering in their broth. And voila! Here's lunch. Make it for your kids. Make it as a nice after-school snack. Here, let's serve them up on a plate. Oh man, these are good. These are my bagel bites. Can't wait to try them. Are they hot? They're not that hot. Hang on. Okay, here I go. Not the best.